Hi class, I want to show you really quick the LDS app so that you can use it in your assignment. I'm at the main page here called the library. You can see I have scriptures, my collections. These are folders that I have created right there. There's my New Testament folder, and there's my Old Testament folder that has my Institute manuals in it. And as you go down, you can see you got magazines right there at the top, and you also have the seminary and institute manuals right there. If you click on institute, you have all that you need right there. So let me show you really quick just a couple of things. First of all, I just want to show you, in case you've never used it, I want to show you how to highlight. So I'm going to go to Ether 1227, and I'm going to highlight the word weakness. And so I'm going to go right there. I'm going to click on that, and I have a choice there. I can make it yellow, or I can make it orange, or make it red. I'm going to make it pink right there. And then I'm also going to do this. I'm going to do what's called linking. I'm going to press that little, if you look there to the right, you'll see a little chain. I'm going to press on that. And I'm going to say, oops, wait, I'm going to go back. I'm going to say link. And now I'm going to go to a link. I'm going to go to a place that I want to link. I'm going to go to an Ensign magazine that talks about turning weaknesses into strengths. October 2014, there's a wonderful little article called The Jadeite Cabbage. It talks about an ancient piece of jade that had flaws in it. It's supposed to all be green, but you see there's some white in it, and how that flaw was turned into something beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm just going to highlight anywhere right here, and it says link to Ether 1227, and you'll notice it'll take me right back. So when I come over here, if you look on the right hand side of weakness over in the margin, if I press that little chain on the top, it will automatically bring me, there's the beginning of the article, and then I press the title of the article at the top, and then it will take me to the actual piece. And now now if you look down at the very bottom left hand corner arrow, I'm going to press that arrow at the very bottom, and it just took me back to Ether 1227. Now I'm going to press the X and go back. Now I want to show you how to make a tag or folder of favorite scriptures, like a topical guide. So I'm here on my main page, I'm here on the library. If I click on, if you go down right below my collections, you click on notes, then I click on tags. These are called tags, and I like to think of them as I've created my own little topical guide. I'm going to create a new one, and I'm going to call it prayer. And every time I come across a really neat scripture on prayer, I'm going to put it in that folder. I'm going to connect it. So if I go to one of my favorite scriptures on prayer, D&C, chapter 10, verse 5. There it is, pray always that you may come off conquer. And I'm just going to go ahead and hit the tag button right there. And then I'm going to go to prayer. There it is, boom, save. And now, as you can see, I have a tag there. And if I went back to, if I go back to my tags, let me just show you an example. So all my favorite scriptures on being cheerful, you can see they're all put in one place. And I'll just keep collecting those over the years, kind of like my own little personal topical guide. I want to show you one more thing that I do that I really like, is I make notes in my scriptures, and I'll give you an example. If I go to Exodus chapter 20, I have quite a few little notes in here, and I always highlight. You can see the word take, thou shalt not take. I like to put, I highlight that blue because that just means I have a Hebrew meaning, and you can see there I pasted in there the Hebrew root for the word take, which means to lift, carry. And let me just show you how easy it is to make a note. So if I highlight the word Lord and I go right here, and then I can simply start typing words in just like that. And I can put a title on it. Lord its name. You get the idea. And then, but I'm not going to hit save. But it's as simple as that. And so I put lots of notes in these, and they stay there. And if I sync, I want to show you one more thing. If I go into my library, you have to make sure that you have an LDS account when you do this, and you go into settings, and as you can see on the left there, it says Castillo CR, and it just says last sync 2 minutes ago. So I'm connected to my LDS account, so if I go online, I can actually, everything that I sync online is also sunk on my iPad, on my iPhone, everything that I have an LDS app on. Hope that helps. Remembered one last thing, wanted to show you something. If you look in the bottom right hand corner, you'll see two little pages on top of each other. If you click on that, I can actually add to, I can have a couple of different, I'm going to go click on that again. As you can see, there's like, I have 5 different pages open. So if I click on Exodus 20, it'll take me to Exodus 20. I'm going to go back down to the bottom right, and I'm going to click on those 2 little pages. Now I'm going to go to When Will the World Be Converted? And I have all of these open at the same time, so I just kind of toggle back and forth between these articles. You can have different scriptures open. And the last thing I wanted to show you is these are my page marks and my bookmarks. And so if I go to right now I'm at President Hinckley's manual, and let's say that I finished reading right here. I just highlight that right there, and I go to, I'm going to click at the bottom right hand corner, click on the bookmark, and then I'm going to go to, if you look on this at the top there on the right hand side of President Hinckley manual, I'm going to click on that half arrow there, and there it's just moved my bookmark right there. And so as you can see, I have quite a few different bookmarks of different things that I am reading, and it will always take me back to those same places. And if I press that plus at the top, it will, I can make another bookmark, my own bookmark of something else. But I'm going to go ahead and cancel that. So there, I hope that helps.